Hello, friends! Reed Henderson here with an important update from the Spring Lake Theater. As you all know, COVID-19 has taken a toll on everything about our lives. We were all forced to make adjustments and change our plans to carry on as best as we could. Our theater had no choice but to close and cancel our spring production of Spamalot, as well as both of our summer productions and our fall production. The realization that we would not be able to present our 38th annual production of Scrooge has had both an emotional and financial impact on us. Our theater relies on our children's programs, theatrical productions, and contributions from donors to stay up and running. With the loss of income from all of these shows, our 2020 budget will see a shortfall of over $200,000. In a time as challenging as this, the best we can do is find a new way to keep positive and move forward. And that is why we are starting the Spring Lake Theater Recovery Fund, an ongoing fundraising campaign to help us cover our losses and plan for our return in 2021. Funds raised through this campaign will not only allow our theater productions and educational programs to continue, but also allow for the continued maintenance and operation of the historic Spring Lake Community House, a nearly 100-year-old building created for the purpose of serving our whole community. Please, consider donating to the Recovery Fund. Every donation, no matter how small, can help us come out the other side of this pandemic, ready to offer the communities in and around Spring Lake the same high-quality productions, theater and dance programs, art shows, and community events that people have come to love over the past 40 years. Donating is easy. Just click the link below and follow the instructions on the donation page. We recognize that this pandemic has been challenging for everyone everywhere, but we hope that with your support, we will be able to resume our ongoing mission in 2021 of providing a loving home for the performing arts. Please, share this video with family and friends who have attended our performances and events, with people who remember their own experiences performing, learning, or working at the community house, and people you know who care as much about the arts as we do. We are in the process of planning many new exciting events to engage our patrons and donors while we spread the word about the Spring Lake Theater Recovery Fund. Our first event is an outdoor concert scheduled for Friday, September 4th, in lieu of our annual Starlight Gala. This concert will feature talented performers from past productions with Spring Lake Theater, performing selections from some of our most memorable shows. It will be a beautiful night filled with music and cocktails and snacks delivered right to our guest seats on Madison Avenue. We promise it will be a special event for all who attend. Now, if only I could come up with a name for it.